What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just ridiculous today. So whoever thought of doing Jump by Van Halen on an acoustic guitar? Well, you know, me. So let's teach it to you in under 3 minutes. It's not that hard if you just play the chords. To get the rhythms, it's a little tricky, but let's try this with no capo and a C major. So I'll play the chord version, the simple version first. So it goes, I get up, C major, F major, and nothing, G major gets me down. Back to C major. F, you got it, C, F major, I've seen the toughest G around. You know, and I know how you feel. You got to roll with the punches to get what's real. So the same thing over and over again. Then it goes to the pre-chorus and it goes A minor. Can't you see me standing there? And I sort of start A minor and then I hit the low E just to give it something else to do. Can't you see me standing there? I've got my back against the record machine. F major. And then I got another video on how to play the F major the easiest way. I think it's not with a bar, and that allows me to take my thumb and just, you know, you're playing an F major, but without that low note. It's a way of walking it down to D minor. F major. Now you could go to E minor if you want to, and this time you go to G major. As well jump, and then you go to C major again. F, might as well jump. So C, F, G, and then it starts the verse again. Okay, now I'm going to show you the open notes there. You basically take the C major, but remove this finger right here, like that. So you're on the open D string, and you go like this. You hit the low note of the C chord, and then go. So you're playing a C major, you're temporarily removing that note and adding it back on, and then go to your F, and then the next time you do it, just start with it. F, G, and then, you know, A minor. Takes a little bit of time getting used to all those little rhythms. You can pause and rewind that little part right there and learn how to get that. But it's super fun once you get the hang of it. So I believe in you. You can do it. Let me know how you do in the comments, and I'll catch you next time for some more Van Halen and other 80s rock and every other decade too. All right, later.